Hi, beautiful people. I'm Lolita. If you don't know, now you know. So let's get right into this video. Before we even get started with what I have for you today, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and smash the like button as well. So I made my debut on YouTube with my last video. If you haven't watched that video, do check it out. I'll put a link in the description box below. And in as much as I have my niche regarding content delivery, I want it to be a collective one. As much as possible, I would like to know what you want so I can make content in that light. What matters most to me is that I am impactful and I am delivering value in a most exciting way. Enough of the side talk. Let me share with you 5 practical steps to stop procrastinating. Let's get right into it. Now, procrastination is the practice of putting something off for lack of will to do it. That is, when you avoid doing any task or important tasks, as the case may be. This could be habitual or intentional, and it is very common amongst us as humans, although it isn't just a human problem. I know I said what I said. It isn't just a human problem because Newton's first law of motion says that a body at rest will stay at rest until it is compelled to do otherwise. And I stand to be corrected. The entire universe procrastinates. I said what I said again. But just because procrastination is universal doesn't mean it's a good idea. So, step 1 is to get organized and create a timeline. Now, for this step, you need to know what works need to be done. You need to know what needs to be done. And in fact, you can get it done. That's the thing. So you can get a planner or you can get a calendar app on your phone. It will make it a lot easier to keep track of jobs and due dates. And so you don't lose track of time. You don't just do anything at any time, you get. So step 2 is being honest with yourself. This part is very important. You need to tell yourself the truth. You need to be open with yourself and you need to set goals you can achieve. In this part, don't overestimate yourself. Don't do Jackie, I can do it. You need to calm down. Tell yourself the truth. This is what I can do, this is what I cannot do. And then work towards it. Just work towards it. Stop loading yourself with too many things to knock out in a day, and then you keep assuming you can get everything done in one go. It's not magic. You should learn to break up things into smaller and less overwhelming parts in general. Now, step 3. Getting rid of distractions. Now, this is almost inevitable in our age and time due to social media, family, friends, hangouts, activities, and loved ones. I can relate. But if you're intentional about it, you can discipline yourself. Speaking from experience, if it's your phone, put it away. Put it where you can't see it. If it's a website, close that browser, close that tab. If it's the people in your house, if there are people where you stay or where you work or something, do your best to let them know you'll be working. And if possible, if it gets to that level, close the doors. If it becomes necessary, close the doors. Keep yourself isolated. You achieve a lot. Now, step 4, take breaks. See, I think in this part of our world, we keep working around the clock. We are on the go around the clock, and it's causing a whole lot of damage. It's not allowing people be as productive as they should be. We should learn to take breaks. It doesn't do any harm, doesn't cause any harm to the human body. It's very essential. Now, the longer you go without a break, the harder it is to keep your concentration on and active, because it's going to be a very long span of time. Now, our attention span as human beings, and especially young people, it's very limited. because a lot of things come to play in our daily activities, in our daily lives. So it's very hard to keep yourself concentrated for a very long period of time. Hence, taking a break is very important. So you need to set a timer. Once you're on that work you are doing, just set yourself a timer and go on short breaks. It will help a lot. Now, step 5. 5. I like this part. You see, I love this step. Reward yourself. Step 5, reward yourself. See, there's nothing like telling yourself that I'm going to get myself this thing after I accomplish this. It somehow psychologically it has its magic. You get, at the very least. Now, to reward yourself, you can do the hardest stuff first, so that the work gets easier along the line. And then later on, whether it's a snack or going to the movies or chilling out, going to the beach, going swimming or anything, just promise yourself something when you get your slated task done. Just promise yourself something and stick to it. My dear, you're going to achieve a whole lot. You're going to achieve a whole lot because you know that there's something juicy, waiting for you out there. It's manicure, pedicure, take care of yourself, spa, shopping, anything. Just promise yourself something and it's going to go a long way. Now, well, this is basic self-management. Really, it affects every part of your life, affects every part of your being, it affects your productivity, it also affects your relationship with people, communication and all that, being able to handle personal relationships and work relationships. It's just basic self-management. Like I said, you need to know your personality and what works for you. Now, I gave you 5 steps, quite alright, but make it work for you. Look at your situation, look at your personality, look at what you're doing at hand, and just make it work for you. Work around it. It's flexible, and it's going to be very wonderful. Now, if you have learned a thing or two from this video, you sure want to adjust or stop procrastinating. Drop my veil in the comment section below. Drop my veil in the comment section below so I know you're a real G, and share with me your experiences and situations or solutions you have come up with to help yourself avoid procrastination in general. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.